In this problem, we're going to use the conservation of energy to solve for the final velocity of the boat. So the form of the conservation of energy that we're going to use is this. The change in kinetic energy must be matched with a decrease in the potential energy as the boat goes down the ramp. Now delta U is equal to mg delta y, where I'm letting capital M be the combined mass of the whole system. So let's calculate that now. So we have 150 kilograms from the cart itself. We have 4 times the mass of each wheel, which is 45 kilograms, plus the mass of the boat, which is 750. So this combines to give us 1,080 kilograms. Delta y is the height change of the boat, and it is equal to -16, which is the length of the ramp. But we need the vertical component only.